Hi, good evening. My name is Fahad Mirza. I'm a PhD student at the University of Texas at Arlington, Texas, and I am also the president of the SMTA UT Arlington student chapter. I'm a mechanical engineer, did my master's from State University of New York, Binghamton, and right now doing PhD under Dr. Diriji Aganafar in the mechanical engineering. My area of expertise is reliability in electronics packaging, 3D packaging, thermal management, and mechanical analysis of 3D packages. I became a member of the SMTA student organization in June 2010, and in August I was lucky enough to be the president of the SMTA UT Arlington student chapter. It's been a great experience. We've had presentations from Gary Tunnell, who is the president of the Dallas chapter, and it was quite encouraging, quite motivating how SMTA, these organizations, these student chapters can be a bridge between academia and industry. You get to meet so many people from the industry, and you can network with them, and also not just networking, but you get a chance to actually know, okay, what we are studying and how it is actually applied in the real life. So it's been a great experience, and today we are here for the appreciation dinner, and I'm the, again, I was fortunate enough to be the first, recipient of the SMTA Student Scholarship. And I would encourage graduate students, also undergrads, especially graduate students who are in the field of electronics packaging, to become a part of SMTA. That gives you access to a bunch of technical information online on the SMTA website, and also, as I said, it helps you network, and you are up with the contemporary research, contemporary packaging solutions, packaging problems which are going on. So it's a great experience. It's just $5 for a student to become a SMTA student member. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Thank you very much.